Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you back for the class 10 science. Already in the previous class we learnt about acid and bases. Now today's our topic is salts. In the last class I had already explained how the salts are formed. Once the acid mixes with bases, it gives rise to salt and water. That's how the salt is formed. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Okay. In the neutralization reaction, acid reacts with bases to form salt and water. Now you can ask, ma'am, in the salt there are different types of salts. Yes or no? What we use at home? We have baking soda, that is a salt. Potassium hydroxide is a salt. Common salt, what we use. All these are, there are different types of salts. Now how it differs? Based on the acidic and basic property, it differs. The substance what it has, it differs. Now how is it? Now see here, once the strong acid reacts with the strong base, then whatever the salt form is in neutral salt plus water. Example here, HCl is in strong acid and NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, is a strong base. Once it reacts, sodium chloride is formed, that is a neutral salt, that is nothing but our common salt what we eat, plus water. Okay, this is what, once the strong acid has 5 H plus ion and again here minus 5, it reacts and the answer is 0. How we take in maths? No, plus 5 minus 5 give rise to 0. Similarly, even here strong acid, strong base giving to neutral salt. Then coming to the next, once it is strong acid reacts with the weak base, what happens? See, the strong acid contains, for example, plus 5, weak acid is minus 3. Once you do the addition, what will be there? It will be plus 2. It will not be 0. So, it will not be in the neutral form. It will be acidic salt plus water. What is the example here? Here it is hydrogen sulfate, okay, H2SO4 plus magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. Once it reacts, it gives rise to magnesium sulfate plus water. Magnesium sulfate is a acidic salt, acidic in nature. It is a weak acid. Now coming to the next, the opposite of this. Now for example, if I am taking weak acid reacts with the strong base, what happens? It gives to basic salt and water. Similarly, you can see once it is plus 3 minus 5, it gives rise to minus 2. That is how the reaction takes place. Whatever the reactants will be there, the product will be similar to that, right? So now what is the example here? Hydrogen carbonate, H2CO3 plus potassium hydroxide, KOH, give rise to potassium carbonate plus water. This is the basic salt. In this chapter, you are going to learn 5 salts. Okay, 5 salts, how it is prepared, the uses of it. Okay, which are the 5 salts we are learning in this chapter? The first one, what we use at home, the common salt. What we eat, the formula, chemical formula is NaCl. What is the chemical formula? NaCl. What is the name of that? Sodium chloride. Which salt are we eating? It is sodium chloride. Next, second salt, bleaching powder. At home we use the bleaching powder. The chemical formula of the bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. What is it? CaOCl2, and the chemical name calcium oxychloride. The bleaching powder chemical name is calcium oxychloride. Coming to the next, the third, baking soda, which is used to make dosa, idli and all, right? That is baking soda. What is the baking soda chemically here? It is sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. What is it? NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Then the fourth one, the washing soda. Washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is nothing but Na2 is, so Na means sodium, CO3 means carbonate, sodium carbonate. What is this 10? 10 is nothing but deca water hydrate. Okay, 10H2O we say decahydrate. As we are learning further, I'll say you why this 10H2O will come there. Okay, then the last one here in your chapter, it is POP, plaster of Paris. What is it? Plaster of Paris. CaSO4 half H2O. What is the name here? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This is what it is. Now further we are going to learn one by one how it is made and the uses of it.